This video will show you how to use EnFlux Finance to close more projects. It can be used anywhere in the U.S. and is ideal for quick changeouts and planned retrofits. How often have you heard the following, which shuts down your replacement project? There's nothing in the budget. Our capital's a little tight. Just fix it. Maybe we can replace it next year. Or I'm trying to win a term maintenance deal. I'm sold on the idea of fixing my maintenance costs for 5 years, but I can't afford the upfront cost to replace the rooftop units. You now have an answer to turn those repairs into replacements and help win more term maintenance business. Let's see how this works by first clicking on EnFlux Finance under the Financing tab and see the primary features highlighted. Most credit decisions can be made the same day from a one-page application for up to $150,000. Our payment deferral program will really get your customers' attention. After installation, they will enjoy 100% of energy and maintenance savings for 6 months with no debt payments. Now, let's see how easy it is to generate a proposal. Start at Sales Tools, open the link to the EnFlux Finance Proposal Input page, and fill out the 4 blanks. Notice the proposal will have options for monthly payments of 36, 48, and 60 months, and that you can select to show payments beginning immediately, after 6 months, or both. You can see how the inputs populate the final proposal, which can be personalized with your logo. A one-page handout discussing special tax benefits for HVAC retrofits will be automatically attached along with an application. It's that simple. We encourage you to see the video for the EnFlux Project Savings Analysis. It's a great sales tool to combine with financing. We look forward to helping you grow your business. Thank you.